They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be
Marami ang humanga sa artistang si Arlene Mulak dahil sa gitna ng kanyang pagkakaroon ng edad na 55 years old ay hindi nga ito naging alintana o naging sagabal para hindi niya matapos ang kanyang pag-aaral. Kaya naman naging inspirasyon si Arlene sa maraming mga tao pati na rin sa mga kapwa-artista. Narito ang kanyang kwento. I stopped my college studies in my third year many years ago when work was offered to me. Then my family came and my priorities changed. Proving that it is never too late to fulfill a long-standing goal, I now have a degree in Bachelor of Arts in Communication from Philippine Women's University. I'm thankful to all my professors and blockmates. I had so many questions in the ETE-EAP program for their faith in me and my abilities. Special mention to Professor Gentica for allowing me to experience campus life for a few hours after so long. Thank you to my husband and children who boosted my morale when I was ready to give up. To my office mates at the IRS and the Commission on Appointments who were patient in helping me pursue this dream. You are appreciated. Age is just a number. Determination and passion are what truly matters. Sa puntong ito ay nagbigay naman ng congratulatory messages ang mga kaibigan niyang artista tulad ni na Jay Gonzaga, napabilib naman si Jelly de Belen at pati na rin si Miss Rita Avila ay sinabi ang ganito, "Congratulations Arlene, the graduate and the birthday girl." Nagbigay din ng reaction sina Pops Fernandez, Marjorie Barreto, James Blanco Castillo, Rufo Gutierrez at marami pang iba. Nandoon din sina Edo Manzano at iba pang mga kaibigang malalapit kay Arlene Mulak. Kaya naman isang malaking achievement ito para kay Arlene na matapos nga ang matagal na panahon na paghinto sa kolehiyo ay at last natapos na rin niya ito kasama ang kanyang pamilya.